guys, so today I have a box that has a bunch of Lady LovelyLocks mail I just received, so I am gonna open it and see what all I got. Oh boy, is that yellowed. But this is the castle and the Pixie Tail treehouse. Oh, that is supposed to be purple. Oh boy, I don't want it to break. Oh gosh. Oh, there, I got it. Okay. Yeah, there's the color difference. Wow, is that faded and it's broken. Jeez, that one's in rough shape. That one's trash. All right. And, oh my goodness, that's rough. Okay. Okay, where's my scissors? There we go. Okay. Okay. Well, the good news is I was looking for one that didn't have a broken clip. So, I found one. It needs a little, maybe some peroxide sun fading to get rid of that yellowing, but at least I found one. Let's see. Some yellowing. Oh, that one's broken. Is the other one broken? Oh, that one's broken too. Dang it. Well, the lid, other than being yellowed, isn't broken, which I need another, I called it a lid. I need another roof. And so with that not being broken there, I should be able to get rid of that. Wow, the color difference on this is just like, it's just so yellowed. I think that will go away. I'm hoping. Anyway, I've got another one that I need some parts for, so that's good news. We've got the base with the broken piece still in there. Oh, we've got another ladder for the treehouse. That's good. And swing set part. Oh, a little warped. Wow, I just can't get over how yellow. It's not even yellow anymore, it's brown. Oh, we've got our swing. Take that apart. And this one at least doesn't look broken. There's our table. Okay, so we have our Lady LovelyLocks doll. Belonged to apparently a Jane. And I don't see any spots, which is really good news. And she actually this one has a really pretty face. Yeah, she's got a really pretty face. So, clean her up, and her dress is in nice shape right here. It looks like we've got a little loose thread or elastic or whatever they had here. Elastic around her sleeves. Oh, he's so tiny! This little pretty puppy is just so cute. I just love how tiny she is. I can't get over it. Like, it's just She's so darling. Oh, I just love it. That is cute. Alright. And then we have Lady LovelyLocks' dog, Silky Pup. She's losing her rubber bands as we look at her. Yuck. And we have one of the Lady LovelyLocks baby dragons. Isn't she cute? And then we have her horse, Silky Mane. Oh, her bridle's on side. Let's see. It's backwards. Oh gosh. Oh, rough shape. It's there, but it's rough. That's too bad. Okay, it's got all its clips. Cool. There she is. Okay, what else? Some treehouse parts. Oh, I think that's My Little Pony. The little shower, the little cap for the swimsuit, I think. We got a mirror. And more parts of the treehouse. Okay. Oh, there's a flower. Wow. And the top to the roof. More treehouse. Oh! The little duck that goes to that hat. Cute. Got some of the brushes. And the My Little Pony Fairy Tale bird ring. I think the bird's in here somewhere, but not in this bag. And then we have the tiny little tea set parts. Cute. So we have lots of pixie tails, which I'm always in need of. If I'm doing the dolls, I've got to have pixie tails to complete them. So. Oh, there she is. Look at how cute she is. And she came with a ring. Ah! That is so neat. Oh my gosh, guys, it's so tiny. Just love that. There are lots of pixie tails. My goodness, what do we got? How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Wow, that one's really pink. That's cool. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Somewhere around there. I needed those. Yay! Alright, well, that is it for this box. And this thing is just so cute. I can't get over it. This tiny little Fairy Tales bird. I don't even know if it... Yeah, it barely fits on my pinky. It's so cute. Just, these things are so cute. I love it. Well, guys, thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video today, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel so I can see you guys again next time. Anyway, thanks for watching. We'll see ya. Bye.